Hey guys, today I'm gonna show y'all how to swap out your brakes. First off, grab scissors and snip off the zip ties, then untangle all the cables. Next up, pop off the brake lever, like in the video, unplug the comes cable. And unscrew all the bolts, keep them safe. Don't lose them. Yank out the brake cable, then remove the rear brake like the vid shows. Grab your new brake, pull off the orange tab, and start with the rear brake. Slap it onto the brake disc. Slap some glue on the screws. And bolt them in, tighten them down real good, or it's gonna be sketchy. Feed the brake cable through here. Swap the old brake lever on the handlebar with the new one. Then adjust everything till it feels comfy for your hands. Follow the video to thread the parts onto the cable. Stuff them in until you hear that click. Then run the cable into the lever. Stop when you've got 2 threads left. Pop the cap on. Do the same for the other side. For the front brake, copy the video steps. Wrap the cables back up midway. Turn the handlebar to check they're not pinched. Secure the cables. Plug in the comes cable. Arrows gotta line up. Test the brakes. Tweak these screws to set how tight the pads grip the disc. Take your time, get it just right. Oh, and if the lever feels sticky, squirt some mineral oil right here to lube it up. Pro tip, hold the lever when tightening the screw. That's it for today. Catch y'all next time.